Today I am here with the topic of science, which is metals and non-metals. First let's read about metals. What are the physical properties of metals? First property is metals are hard except sodium, potassium and lithium. These three are the only metals which are soft and can be cut with knife. Second property is metals are found in solid state except mercury. Mercury is the only metal which is found in liquid state. Third property is property of malleability. What do you mean by malleable? Malleable means that it can be hammered into thin sheets or foil without breaking up. Fourth property is property of ductility. What do you mean by ductility? Ductility means that metals can be melted and can be formed wires. Fifth property is metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Sixth property is metals are lustrous. Lustrous means that they are shiny like gold, silver, etc. Seventh property is metals are sonorous, which means they create a ringing sound when beaten up. This was all about physical properties. Let's move on to chemical properties. First chemical property is metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides. Second property is metals react with water to form oxides and hydroxides. Third property is metals react with acids to form salts, like sodium reacts with HCl to form sodium chloride. Fourth property is metals react with sodium hydroxide to form hydrogen gas. This was all about metals. Now let's move on to non-metals. What are the physical properties of non-metals? First property is non-metals can be found in any state, solid, liquid or gas. Non-metals are soft except diamond. In fact, diamond is considered as the most hardest substance in the world. Non-metals do not have the property of malleability, ductility and they are not sonorous too. Non-metals are poor conductor of heat and electricity. They do not have any luster except diamond. These were the physical properties. Let's move on to chemical properties of non-metals. Non-metals react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxides. They do not react with acids and water, and the reaction with bases are very complex. So these were the chemical properties of non-metals. Now let's look at a short video clip to understand displacement of reactions.
Displacement reaction. The chemical reaction in which one element displaces another element from a compound and takes its place is known as displacement reaction. For example, when zinc Zn is added to copper sulfate solution CuSO4, it displaces copper from copper sulfate, giving ZnSO4 zinc sulfate plus Cu copper. Study of displacement reactions. Take a test tube and add about 10 ml of dilute copper sulfate solution to it. Take an iron nail, tie the iron nail with a thread and suspend carefully in copper sulfate solution. It is observed that the blue color of the solution starts fading and the iron nail becomes brownish in color. The change takes place due to the following displacement reaction. Fe iron reacts with copper sulfate CuSO4, giving ferrous sulfate FeSO4 and copper Cu.
So this was all about today. I hope the topic was clear to you all. So thank you. Bye bye and take care.